Hey Loog Nation, it's Mr. Will, and we've got When I Come Around by Green Day. I'm doing a no-edit lesson today, so pay close attention because I'm not going to stop, and you're not going to see me cutting into anything else. We're going to use the Loog power chords, what I like to call a Loog power chord, to play this song. It's a lot of fun. It's a very easy song to learn because we're doing the same 4 chords over and over and over again for the verse and the chorus, with just a little bit of change at the end of the chorus. And stick with me, I'll show you everything you need to know to play this song within several minutes. Here we go. Okay, let's work on this Loog power chord first. What do I mean by a Loog power chord? Well, most power chords are your first finger and your third finger on the 6th string and 5th string of a guitar. On the Loog, because of the tuning and the 3 strings, we have a G, a B, and an E string. We need to play with our first finger and our pinky, especially if we're going to play a D or an E or a C power chord. And that's what we're playing in this song today. We're going to play a G to a D to an E then to a C. So it's your first finger and your 4th finger. I'm going to start up, we're just going to play this D, D to an E, E, just so we know what we're doing. I'm on the 7th fret, 3, 5, 7th fret, and 10th fret to get that power chord sound, the 1st and the 5th, the do and the sol sounds. That's what makes a power chord. And then we're going to go up to the 9th and 12th fret. And then we're going to drop down to the 5th and 8th fret. So we have... There's our D is on the 7th, E is on the 9th, C is on the 5th. Just to remember it that way. We start the song with a G power chord, and that's going to use the open G string and the 3rd fret. I like to use my pinky, or I also cheat and just use my first finger. And I change to that D power chord. So the G power chord is open G string, 3rd string, and 3rd fret, 2nd string. There's that sound, and I'm playing with my first finger. And I'll just play 3 of those notes to make it really simple. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. This is what I call skeleton learning, or just learning the frame. How many times do we really hit the strings? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. So I'm going to go from that G to the D on 7, to the E on 9 twice, to the C on 5 once. Let's do that again. G, 1, 2, 3, to the D, to the E, E, to the C. 1, 2, 3, wait, 1, 2, 3, change, 1, 2, stop. And if you're counting at home, yes, the C is on the upbeat, or a syncopated change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and. All right, so there's your skeleton. G, D, E, C. It's really E minor for anyone scoring at home. Cool. Now let's get into the rhythm of that a little bit more. So we do 3 notes, 1, 2, 3. And then there's a 4th note. I'm going to go down, up, or chug up, right? 1, 2, 3, chug up. And I'm kind of palm muting a little bit there to get this deeper raspy sound. But if you just strum, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Or if you're really keeping score at home, I'm going 1 and 2 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1, 2 and 3 and 4. That was pretty fast. Let's do that again. 1 and 2 and a. And I'm going to do the same thing for the D. 1 and 2 and a. Then the E is different. You heard it. It's only 2 strums. Da, da, stop. Ba, ba, stop. and then I'm going to just go and. Again, that's going to be syncopated, so I'm strumming down, down, stop, up, or the up of the beat. Work on that rhythm. Da, da, you'll feel that beat. Da, da, beat. Good, so we get chugga, chugga, down, down, stop, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, da, 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 da. Down, up, wait, and play, hold, 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, so I just kind of slowly worked us into like skeleton playing, into more rhythmic playing, counting, and now you're playing the verse and part of the chorus, which is great. We have a second half of the chorus, right? So we have an A chord. You can play it open if you'd like. When I come around, right? So we have an A major or an A power chord, which is going to be down here. Where are we? G, G, and then up a whole step, up, here. That is our A power chord, and we're just going to strum 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then slide up to the C. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and right? When I come around. So by learning one shape, a Loog power chord, we're able to play this song by Green Day pretty quickly and pretty easily. I like using my amp to create a little bit of distortion, but if you have an acoustic at home, it'll sound just as cool. I like the Loog amp as well. It's got a really nice gain volume on it, so if you don't have the Loog amp, you could get that. I have a discount code for everybody. It's Will10, and Luke changes this on me every once in a while, but right now it's Luke10. Check the description to make sure that's still current, and you get 10% off your entire order if you buy anything through that code at the Loog shop, right? Now, granted, yes, you're right. I do get a kickback from that. I get a commission for every sale that I make with that code. But guess what? You guys are, in a way, thanking me and like buying me a cup of coffee to help promote this channel and give you more lessons. Do you want more lessons? Maybe I'm not playing a song that you really want to learn. Is there a Green Day song you really want to learn, or any kind of rock song you really want to learn? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you, Loog Nation, what songs you want to learn. So I'm going to go through the chords and the verse and then the chorus one more time, just to show you how it all flows together, okay? But it's up to you to practice. It's up to you to listen to the song and for you to work on your Loog power chords and your strumming. You got this. Here we go. More ring. Let's try it again. I got so excited to finish the lesson. That shows you I'm not going to edit this, and that was real time. Hey, thanks so much for joining me today. That's When I Come Around by Green Day. If you have any questions at all, let me know. Really fun, easy song to play. Go get it. All right.